Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Got to tell you, our weather as we head into the evening hours already turning pretty slippery across much of western portions of our viewing area. Now the snow is moving out into lakes country as producing some greasy streets. It's that wet, sloppy snow, slushy on many roads out there. So take it easy. Give yourself some extra time in the morning. The snow does continue. And here's a look at the North Dakota Department of Transportation road map where you see the yellows and the purples, even the blues. We have either slushy streets, partially covered or totally covered streets with snow and even some ice in there where we see the yellows as temperatures are dropping into the 20s. So again, as the snow has passed through the Devil's Lake Basin and is exiting, it's still in Grand Forks and points into and along Interstate 94 and just north is where the snow is. It's still showing rain south of Interstate 94. So we have light snow showing out here in central portions of Minnesota, not far from the folks out there in the Brainerd area. And we look out into the Grand Forks area. Just south, you see the deep blue colors there. That's some heavier snow. This extends all the way out towards Crookston, where some flakes are flying along that Highway 2 corridor right now. Detroit Lakes and Lakes Country seeing a shot of some snow. As often is the case, sometimes the radar beam shoots over the top of this, so we may have some brief reduction in visibility out in Lakes Country as well. And in fact, we can see where the core of the activity is the strongest, reducing visibility to around 1 mile in Grand Forks, 2 miles in Moorhead, 2 miles in Fergus Falls and Detroit Lakes as well. So travel with caution tonight. There'll be some slippery spots, and even in town, it's mighty greasy. So give yourself that extra stopping distance tonight. 20s north for most, 30s south, and still near 40 in portions of South Dakota. As we head to bed tonight, our snow shower chances move off slowly to the east. Notice it kind of continues for the better part of the overnight hours up in northwest portions of Minnesota. We're going to have areas of patchy dense fog out there. Most of us start the day cloudy. Most of us start the day with a temperature around 30 degrees. Heading through the early morning hours, we'll quickly see the snow showers exit and the sunshine takes hold. It will not be a warm day, but it will be seasonal, and for some of us, it will be above seasonal temperatures for this time of the year. We're typically in those low 30s, and we'll see some mid 30s. We'll see some upper 30s down south, and more wind tomorrow. It'll be from the west, gusty up north, over 30 miles per hour at times. Heading into the evening hours, it looks quiet for almost all of us. Maybe a shot of a flake or two of snow near International Falls. Other than that, that is about it. Tomorrow evening, fairly quiet as well. Our activity tonight has already delivered that 1 inch or so on the ground here in Fargo, and in Grand Forks, it looks like we're seeing similar amounts. Isolated places under the path of this snow could see up to 2 inches. So it's not a significant amount of snowfall, but it is going to bring slippery conditions. And with temperatures in the 20s, we're going to have some icy spots. Then the weekend. Let's take a look at this. Hour by hour forecast after we get through the cool one on Friday brings another shot of snow. Now this is the American model, and it does show a shift in the track and a shift in the timing. You're looking at Saturday night, 10 o'clock. Look at the track of the snow here as opposed to the international border. It has shifted everything south just a little bit. We told you this can happen, and I'm not too convinced that this is what's going to take place. I still believe more in a northerly track of the system. However, the band of snow lasts into Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon now. We could still see snow. So it's shifted that best chance of 4 to 6 inches plus here right into the Central Valley, rapidly diminishing amounts as we go south. But a quick peek at that European model shows that things are still super glued up there along the international border down to around Highway 2 for the best chance of that 6+ inches of snow. Suffice it to say, as we head into the weekend, there could be travel concerns because it comes with wind, particularly late Saturday night and into Sunday morning. Be where you want to be by Saturday night. Beautiful shot of the tracks here as we look in on that colorful sunset there in the Fergus Falls area. 32 Saturday, breezy conditions, snow developing late, lasting into Sunday. Now it looks like it could last into at least midday and beyond on Sunday. Then the cold takes hold after that. Look at this, starting out with temperatures near 7, afternoon temperatures near 7. Then the bottom is drilled out of the bucket and everything falls out. We're going to have temperatures between 1 below in Fargo to maybe 15 below in our northern counties. Whoever gets that lucky 8 inches of snow or more could get really, really cold as we go into Tuesday.
Yeah, that's our first below zero we've seen, isn't it, this season?
Yeah, we've had a couple places with it, and those wind chills have definitely bottomed out. But I'll tell you what, it's going to be cold, and we haven't had this much snowpack yet either.
All right, here we go. Thanks, Hutch.